So if you guys remember, about 3 months ago, I was right here in this very spot visiting the Mirada Lagoon. We were basically trying to get a quick update as far as how far along the construction is. Now, if you don't remember what the Mirada Lagoon is, it's basically the same thing as the Epperson Lagoon, but about twice as bigger. So instead of 7 acres, we're talking about 15 acres for this Mirada Lagoon. So we're gonna do a quick aerial update to give you guys a real idea of how far along the construction is, and you guys let me know when you guys think this thing is gonna open up. So let's take it up.
Now, as we take it up, you'll notice there's quite a bit going on here. Pretty much the entire 15 acres has been excavated, and you can see the outline of where the body of water is going to be. Now, the difference from the previous video that I posted is you don't see that cement slab right here that you see in the middle of the screen. And if you notice closely towards the center of the screen now, there's actually a water slide already installed. And now you see quite a bit of construction staging area as well as the welcome center. Now, if you're looking to move into the Mirada Lagoon community, there's quite a few options available if you're looking for a new construction home. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you haven't already, please leave a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate in the Tampa Bay area, don't hesitate to reach me. My contact information is in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.